What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy LilDrillzReacts, man, back with another video, man. Today, man, we finna react to my boy, man, CashNasty, man. You know it's the Creator League going on, bro. So, man, we got my boy Paul Pierce, man. We got my boy Julian Newman and PJ Tucker in the game, bro. Oh, I'm tripping, not PJ Tucker. Boogie, bro. You feel me? DeMarcus Cousins, bro. So if you new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like up, bro. Hey, man, I seen y'all went crazy in my other videos, man. Hey, let's do this the same thing, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Comment, subscribe, bro. We finna get to the video, gang.
Yo! What's good, everybody? We back with a 3v3 in the Creators League. We got Team Red, which is your boy, Cash. We got my boy, Jason Richardson.
Josh Richards, close enough.
And we got the one and only Boogie Cousins.
What's happening?
Oh my goodness, man. Listen, it's your boy DH, man. You already know what the hell is going on, man. Blue team, turn up. Look, we got Paul Pierce right here. Who guarding him? Nobody. We got Julian Newman right here. Who's guarding him? Nobody. We came to win, bro. I'm not playing with y'all.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Y'all ball first.
Make some noise, y'all. We getting underway right now. Make some noise. Let's go.
Go by him.
Oh, yeah, go crazy. Go crazy.
Get up. Oh, yeah.
Go crazy then. 3-0. That boy a big bucket. That's a big three. That's a big three, chat. That's a big three. Damn. Oh yeah. Shot. Scroll. You feel me? Can't see me. Can't see me. Ha. Come on now.
My balls hurt so bad.
Y'all, tell him again, boy. Tell him again, boy. Huh?
Come on, come get it. Come on.
Oh yeah, go New. Oh yeah, cross him. Lay.
Good way.
Oh, yeah.
Good layup, boy.
Ooh, we about to skunk. We about to skunk. What's that, 10? Oh, he's up.
He really, everybody be hating on Newman, bro. He really a good guard, gang. And I said that, bro. Look at that. Ooh, look at the moves, gang. Don't worry about it. He see you. Scroll, contested. Damn, Pierce. Get right. Get right, gang. Ooh, look at Boogie.
Damn it.
Boogie still got that shot on him, don't it?
My balls shoot.
They up, boy. They up 3. Newman team up 8. Boogie, CashNasty team 3.
Go ahead.
Oh yeah,
Don't
you gotta
get
lock
it.
in.
Don't
What the
get
score go to? 21, don't it? Come on now, it's 10-3. Shit.
Okay.
Good shot. Oh yeah, Boogie. Get you one. Get you one, Nasty.
Come on, Cat.
Damn.
I didn't draw one. All myself. Man. That was big 3 shit right there.
Boogie so crazy, gang. Oh yeah, and why? Boogie, man, Boogie underrated too, bro. People really listen. Look, listen, chat. People really don't know how good Boogie really is, gang. They really need to put some respect on my boy Boogie name, though.
Good shit, Cash. Good shit.
Ball in.
Yeah, I remember what happened to the rant when he tried to Boogie ass. Put his ass up under that bitch. Hey, put him up under the rant. Oh, good shot. Hit that back. Oh yeah, sis. Oh yeah, get right. Hey, lady.
Hey, this shit.
That's what I like to see there.
Hey, come fix the mic. Yo, ref, my balls hurt. I got. Thank you.
Yeah.
balls hurt, bro. First play when I got in that scuffle, I got kicked in my balls, bro. Like, bro, like, you know, like when you get kicked in your balls, it hurt, bro. I was on fire. Like, bro, like I think he kicked me and I gained the STD or something. Bro, I swear it's burning, bro.
I'm not trying to hear that shit today. Ball in.
Oh yeah, Lay. Come on, Boogie. Bring us back, gang. Shot.
Oh, that's out.
That's out, bro.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Nash.
What happened?
Let's go, Nash.
What's count? 12,
Damn. What's going score?
Let's go up top.
My boy Boogie is huge. Ooh, good shot. Damn. Keep shooting, gang.
Good shot.
Oh yeah, airball.
My bad, y'all. I'm here.
Delay. Let's get these ads off this shit,
Car
man.
insurance easy.
Get these motherfuckers. Let's get these ads. All this gotta go. All that gotta go. We gonna get that out of there.
Nice basket. Nice basket. That's me.
I got it.
You got it.
Should have sold that layup.
Left.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good move. Shot. Side.
Oh, good block. That's you.
Side. But you need to stop shooting and take that in, gang. Oh yeah, get him.
Oh my. Hey, that was all hand. Hey, that was all hand.
Your hand part of the ball. What you gonna argue?
That was no ball.
Man, you wasn't making that shit.
Boogie just so real, man.
Oh, yeah, get that read. Oh, hey, we got Hus. We got Hus.
Come on, come on, come on. Okay then.
I don't know why he did that, man.
Okay then.
Hold on. Take up.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go to work.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. ISO.
Shot.
My bad,
Come
y'all.
on, Boogie. Bring us back, gang. Come on, Nasty. Where you at?
Hey!
Good shot, boy. Good shot, boy. Bring us back, gang.
It's anyone's game. Game 21. Ball in. Right.
Oh yeah, miss Matt. Oh shoot. Good shot. Woo.
Good shot. Good shit. Yeah. On the Kings, he always did.
Oh yeah, get that. Come on now, get to that. Oh yeah. Get him, Nash. Get him, get him. Come on. Boogie, put that up, gang.
Oh, I'm not getting nothing.
Good shot, boy. I told y'all, man. Y'all be underestimating Boogie, man. You be underestimating.
He fouled you, though.
He found the hell out of you.
Come on, gang. Look at DeMarcus Cousins, gang. Look how he shooting, gang.
Get up.
Look how he shooting, bro. The man supposed to still be in the league, bro. I told y'all, bro.
He not gonna go to the basket.
Come on, gang. Oh yeah. With the hop jumper. If he filleted it, hold on, bro. That's a foul, gang.
I wasn't on it.
Rap, that's a foul there.
That's 3 fouls. Okay.
That's fouls there.
No calls, man. We ain't got nothing.
That's foul there. Come on, Nast. Get right.
All right, what's count?
That boy DeMarcus Cousins good as hell, boy.
Go 21.
I'm trying to tell y'all, boy. Kept nobody say I ain't never gonna discredit him. That boy, hey, He that. And he know he that. Look at that paint. Look, look, look. Alright. Alright, come on. Damn, why the ball got so much edge? Y'all notice that? The ball got hella air in it, bro. It got a second of air.
Give me that. Hey, tap, tap,
It bounced. It bounced like crazy. Oh, y'all.
Thank you.
That's a foul there. Come on, Boogie. Bring it home, baby.
A good foul, because I was about to be game.
All right, Boogie at the line for one. I'm letting him put on the show.
He got one in him. He got one.
Oh, I won.
Come on, bring it home, gang.
Get a bucket here. Game one is
He doing over there.
Will they get balls too?
Hey, come over here.
Oh, yeah.
Go up, go up.
Put that up. Put that up. Put that up. Hey, man. CashNasty, bro. Such a LeBron. His ass on the flop. Hey, man. He wanted to flop it. Hey, man. Let me get this off the screen, gang. Hey, man. Hey, bro. I really did thought CashNasty hit his head, chat. Real talk. He said, bloop. Oh, me. Oh. Oh, my God.
We not getting no call.
He gave me one.
I thought bro hit his head, gang. Damn, y'all get one in.
Yeah, he said it earlier.
Oh, easy.
Get one in, gang.
It don't make sense.
Come on, now. Oh, y'all. Good move, boy. Lay. Good game, boy.
Oh, God damn.
That's how we do it.
Shit. Wet like water.
Woo. Curry mode on me. Damn. Couldn't do nothing.
Good shit, boy.
Game two. Game two, chat. Lock in now. Oh, yeah. Come on, Nash. You got to get you some. Ooh, good lay. Damn. Come on, get right. Get right. Get right. Get right, Nash. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. Damn. Damn. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness, bro.
Damn, almost good that.
Run is bad.
Hey, that's it for you, dog.
I told y'all, man. Hey, DeMarcus still got it, gang.
What? What I mean is
Cousin still got it, gang. Cousin still got it, gang.
Hey, don't do that.
Cousin still got it, gang. Cousin still got it. With the Mitchie. Haka. Haka. Good leg, gang. Man, come on, hit that. You gotta hit them. You gotta hit them, bro. You gotta hit them, bro. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
Hey,
Oh, cut it, cut it, cut it. Oh, my goodness.
oh
my goodness.
I ain't even mad at that. That's a good layup. That's a tough lay at that. That's a tough lay at that, chick. That's a tough lay. Come on now. That's a tough layup.
we don't get a free throw.
That boy, hey, that boy took that boy to the rack, gang.
We don't get a free throw.
We don't get a free throw, ref.
You been crying the whole game. Go back to work.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, come on, boy. Shot, boy. Good shot. That boy, hey. Look at Boogie over there trolling, so it's a height advantage, gang. You can't see him. Bro, Newman is at Cousin's belly button, gang.
Oh yeah, body him. Body him.
Woo, get right. Get lay. Lay, I almost jumped out my seat.
And still play.
I thought he missed.
In the league. Championships and everything.
What's up, boy?
Nice, bro. Hey, man, just get it. Come on. Oh, good. That ain't you. He hoop every day, dog.
That boy in his bag.
Boxing everything.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Shoot that. Shot, boy. Good shot. Good shot. You finally got one on the board. Good shot, boy. Get up there.
You know what I'm saying? Like, we good, to be honest. Threes. Come on, let's get it.
Yeah. Good shit, boy. That's what I'm talking about, Nasty. Go get it right. Tell him get it right, gang. Oh. Oh.
Hey!
Got it. There we go. Get it.
Go to work, go to work.
Oh yeah, come on, new. Put him on him. Put it on him. Put it on him. Good lay.
There we go.
Get on that board. Get on that board, gang. Get on that board, gang. Show him that. Look, chat. 3. Money. Oh, man.
Stay there.
Come on, cuz. Dish that. Shot.
Shoot it.
You scared. Get that. Get that cash. Get that cash. Cash. Damn.
No legs.
Clear that. Come on, you gotta hit one, Piff. Ooh, gotta get you one, gang. Get late, man. Them boys don't wanna win. Tell them, cousin, them boys don't wanna win. Tell them that's your house. That's your house right there. Bad. Ooh. That would have been ball game now. Oh yeah, good lay. Oh, come on, Nast.
Get there.
Oh!
Give me one, bro.
That game 2.
Hey, I ain't bringing sweat, bro.
Moving on to the final round.
Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro.
God, man.
It's unfair, bro. Y'all tune in. See what we're gonna face next game.
Hey man, listen, gang. That's my boy CashNasty, man. Look, my boy Boogie went off, bro. Y'all already know that's one of my favorite players, bro, that ever touched a court game. Y'all already know. You feel me? DeMarcus Cousins, gang. I already knew he was gonna go crazy, bro. Like I said, man, y'all know I'm a fan of the scratches and the bigs, bro. So you know, first one come, you know, Dirt. Then it was Michael. You know what I'm saying? Miles Leonard. Then you know. Hey, you feel me? Then we got DeMarcus Cousins third, bro. You know, at the same time, hey, I got more scratch bigs game. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a fan of Wanyama. I don't watch him. He's a good player. I don't watch Wanyama. But, you feel me? I don't consider him as scratch. Is a creative player, but like I said, man, you feel me? This my boy DeMarcus Cousins, bro. Paul Pierce, bro, he just old, bro. He ain't really do his thing like I wanted to do, but hey, man, look, I knew Boogie was gonna go off, bro. Like I said, that's one of out of my stretches, that's my top 3 is Boogie though, because what I like about Boogie in game is he don't just shoot. His inside game is fucking like crazy, gang. Like it's real deal, like crazy. Like it's not like if you don't remember the clip of KD, bro, and him doing the 1v1 and Boogie did the turnaround spin and KD failed, bro. Boogie inside game just crazy. And then when oh shit, damn chat. When he found out he can shoot, bro, it was just outrageous. So man, if you like this video, man, comment, bro. Tell me, bro. Hey, man, you want what videos y'all want next? Hey, man, I'm gonna see y'all in this video, gang. Come on, now.